Hi friends, good afternoon. A new day, a new car. This is a 2013 Ford Endeavour 5-speed automatic 4x4 7-seater SUV. This is a 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine. Done 75,000 kilometers, single owner, single hand driven with valid insurance. A black color beast which you will really relish to drive whenever you take your hands on the fifth wheel. The car is all on original paint. There are minor scratches on the front and rear bumper. We have not done any touch-ups yet, and the car has been maintained fabulous. By the way, the car is a celebrity-owned vehicle, so maintenance history of the vehicle is entirely from Ford, and the way the car has been kept is absolutely commendable. There's absolutely no noise from the suspension. There is no wear and tear in the interior. There are no damages to the body or to the chassis of the vehicle. All electrical features are working absolutely fine. Absolutely nothing is required by this SUV. This is, as I said, done 75,000 kilometers, and it's a 5-speed automatic 4x4 vehicle, single owner with valid insurance. The tires are almost 85 to 90%, so another 32,000 kilometers you will not have to touch the tires at all. This is the closer look to the tires. This was the rear one. I'll now show you the front one. This is the front tire. So all 4 tires have been replaced together. A look at the interior of the vehicle. This is the dashboard with a touchscreen Kenwood infotainment system with Bluetooth and rear parking camera. There's this LCD screen which has been roof mounted, which is capable of playing DVDs. That's the odometer reading. This is how the door trim of this Endeavour looks like. Beige leather wrapped with wooden finish. That's the rear seat. The seats are well maintained. There are no wear and tear on the leather, no fading of color on the leather. That's how the dashboard appears to be from the rear seat. There's this control knob for the air conditioning for the rear passenger. These are the blowers for the rear passenger, and there are blowers at the last row as well. This is the last row seating of the car, which is quite spacious and comfortable. This is a full-size SUV. You can compare this vehicle to a Toyota Fortuner. Today, if you walk around in the market, go online, search for a Toyota Fortuner 2013 automatic single owner vehicle, you will not get one for less than 13 lakh of rupees. However, this car comes to you for just 7,85,000 rupees. People who come up with questions like Ford has shut the shops in India, you are wrong. They have not shut the shops. They're only selling their premium products in the Indian market now. And the spare parts by law have to be available for the next 20 years for any company which shuts the shops. So this is the air conditioning control panel. This is for the blowers to turn on. This is the air conditioning button. And this is your direction selection, and this is the temperature selection. These are the 4 power window and mirror joystick buttons, the beam adjuster, and the cabin light regulator. There's this fuel knob which opens the fuel cap. There's this rear AC button that you see here with the green light on. This is your 4x4 selector. So if you put it in I'll just put it in park first. So if you put it in 4-wheel high, and then if you see on the dial, the 4-wheel activation light starts to glow. I will now put it off because on city roads we actually don't need it. So I've turned it off. There's this overdrive button here, so that's like a sports mode in your normal cars. So I'll turn it off too because that's not required right now. I'm now taking you for a test drive of this car. So the noise insulation inside the cabin is good. There is minimal noise that is coming from outside. It's a 3-liter turbocharged engine, roars and makes a lot of noise. There is a bit of roaring sound that comes inside the cabin too, but that makes you feel good about it. That really doesn't bother you much. So I'll now shoot. The car has got fabulous pickup. It's already on 60, less than 4 seconds and you're on 60. So the car drives really great. It's fun to drive, and while sitting on the steering wheel, you don't feel like you're driving a truck. You feel like you're driving a car. It's that comfortable to sit and handle and maneuver in city. The quality of the vehicle has been kept utmost, in the best possible quality. Usually a 7-8 year old Ford Endeavour does seem to have a lot of wear and tear in the cabin, but this has been kept really great. There are no wear and tear signs inside the cabin. There's no malfunction on the vehicle. It's absolutely pleasure to drive this car. Being an automatic, it delivers about 8 to 9 kilometers of fuel efficiency in city and about 11-12 kilometers on highways. Overall, a worth buy deal with specs like these. 2013 make, first owner, 75,000 kilometers done, diesel, 3-liter turbocharged, automatic 4x4 with valid insurance, with replaced tires, non-accidental history. The car has got everything that a person would want from a car one looks out for. Genuinely, I'm enjoying driving this vehicle. I mean, I usually don't drive so fast in these small lanes, but this car is just so powerful. It's fun. The control on the steering wheel is great. You don't feel any kind of body roll while driving this vehicle. For a test drive, you can feel free to call me on 9768-001-006. The car is available at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number, 9768-001-006. Do come for a test drive and then we can discuss further about the deal. Thanks for watching this video. This was on Convoy Cars that you were watching.